Count out 24 Smarties. Divide the Smarties into 3 equal groups. How many Smarties are in each group? So first I'm going to count out my Smarties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we have our 24 Smarties. It says divide the Smarties into 3 equal groups. So Miss Noble's going to make her groups first. That's going to be my first group. This one is going to be for my second group. This one can be for my third group, because it says divide the Smarties into 3 equal groups. So now we have our 3 groups. And now Miss Noble's just going to give each group 1 Smartie at a time until they're all dispersed evenly. So we're going to divvy up our Smarties. Let's see. Oops, I did not let Miss Noble grab it. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. So you can see we're almost done dividing up our Smarties into our 3 equal groups. Remember, boys and girls, you can put them in a group 1 at a time. This one's going to go with this group. This Smartie's going to go with this group. And this Smartie is going to go with this group right here. So we have our 3 equal groups, group 1, group 2, and group 3. So how many Smarties are in each group? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But let's double check and count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 3 groups of 8. What would that look like? If you said 3 times 8, you're right. And 3 times 8 equals 24, which is our total amount of Smarties. So in each group, because we have 3 equal groups, we have 8 Smarties. So go to your answer box, type in 8.